Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are fine. I am Engineer Rehan Ullah. My dear friend, today my topic is about how to calculate a regular flat area by Auto CAD. My dear friend, this topic is very important for you. If you want to learn this topic, please watch the video at the end. And if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new updates. For example, this is a flat and we need to find the area of this flat as well as how to draw this irregular flat in AutoCAD. This is the length of A, 76 feet, and this is the length of B, 85 feet and 3 inches. This is the length of C, 32 feet and 9 inch, and this is the length of D, 87 feet and 3 inches. First of all, I am draw this irregular flat. How to draw? Now let's start. First of all, I am draw this line. The length is 76 feet. L, enter. Click on this font. Give value 76 feet, enter. This is the length of this line, 76 feet. After that, we draw this line. For draw this line, first of all, I am draw a circle, and the radius of the circle is equal to the length of this line, which equal to 85 feet and 3 inches. C, enter. Give radius 85 feet and 3 inches. 3 inches equal to 0.25 feet, and then enter. After that, draw another circle for making the intersection point. On this point, C, enter. And the radius of this circle is equal to this line length, which equal to 87 feet and 3 inches. 87 feet and 3 inches, and then enter. And join these two point, this intersection point and this point. I'll enter. Enter. This is the length of this line. Now erase this two circle. E, enter. After that, we draw this length. C, enter in this point and give radius of this line length 32 feet and 9 inches, which equal to 75 feet. Then enter and draw another circle on this point with the radius is equal to this line length. C, enter. Give radius 87 feet and 3 inches. Join this two point, this one and this one, and after that with this one. I'll enter. Join with intersection point. After that, join with this one. Then enter. And erase these two circles. There is the figure of this irregular flat. Now I am check Patrick, you need to use this command align. First of all, I'm check this line length which equal to 76 feet. This line length is equal to 85 feet in 3 inches. This is the length of this line, and then check this line length which equal to 32 feet in 9 inch. This is also 32 feet in 9 inch, and after that check this font length which equal to 87 feet and 3 inches. So this is the correct figure of this irregular flat. Now I find the area of this irregular flat. How to find area? For finding the area, you need to type AA and then enter. First of all, click on this font and this font, and select this font and this font, and then enter. So this is the area of this flat. Control C and then Control V. This is the total area of this irregular flat, which equal to 45.09 square feet. This is the overall area of this flat. My dear friend, this is the end of my lecture. This method is more useful for finding the area and the most shortcut method for finding the area. If you have any question and problem in this lecture, please you comments me and ask question related to this topic. And if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for new updates. Inshallah, see you with another video. Bye bye.